Here's a look at these organizer packers that we've got, and I love these things. We use the heck out of them. No matter where we're traveling to, we always bring at least some of these with us. I'm gonna go through all of them and kind of show you how they work, and then maybe we'll pack some clothes in here, and that way you can kind of see what it actually looks like. So first things first, we've got our small version right here. You can even see that it's got some labels on there like underwear, socks, tank tops. Now you don't have to follow that, of course. You can do whatever you want. But this one shows t-shirts and shorts. You got this one, which is like a medium size. Then you've got the big boy right here, which shows jackets and pants. And then you've got some more medium ones right there. And the cool thing about this is you can see it expands. So you want to actually expand it, fill it up, and then you can take the zipper, and then this is going to zip it close, and then it's going to condense down into a very small thin pack. Obviously it's going to bulk up in the middle, but it's going to save you a little bit of room in your luggage. I personally use it a little bit more for organization rather than space saving, but still, I mean, these things are definitely going to save you some space. Now you also have this one right here, which is going to be your toiletry bag. This will fold up and it has Velcro, but the cool thing is this has a hook that you can hang from, and it's got a couple different compartments. This one right here is great for if you have anything that's liquid. This one down here is just like an open compartment, and it's also going to expand, so you can see it's actually a little bit wider on the side. Yeah, this one right here, this is great for things like your cosmetics, toothbrush, any toiletries that you can add in there. This would be great for that. It's also going to come with a shoe bag, which I love this shoe bag because usually I just grab like a Walmart or a Target bag and throw it in there. But, you know, it kind of looks tacky and a little embarrassing. So it's nice having a shoe bag like this that you could actually just zip up, hang it up when you get to the hotel. Then this last one right here, this one we use for our dirty laundry. So I don't know, same thing with the shoes. I usually just use like a plastic bag, but it's nice having a dedicated laundry bag, and it's nice because you can hang it up like this and throw your laundry in, zip it up, and you can carry it over to the laundromat and it doesn't look as tacky. So let's go ahead and we'll fill one of them up and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so we've got this jacket here and I'm gonna fold it up. You wanna make sure that it's actually folded and stuff. That way you get the most usage out of the room in there. So I'm gonna fold this up and I'm gonna find a nice size that this will fit in. So let's just go with this medium one right here. I think that this one would be perfect. So first things first, like I said, you're gonna wanna unzip this part so that it expands, and this way you have as much room as possible. Then you can open up your top zipper and we'll go ahead and add this in there. So there we go, we've got our sweater inside of there. Now I'm going to close it up. And having it open kind of like this where it's expanded, this is great for when you're actually in the hotel room. You can just open things up and grab your clothes from there. That way you don't have to take everything out or dig through your luggage. So we've got it like this, but now, you know, we got to go on our flight and we want to save some room. So we'll close these sides off and it's going to compress it down. And you've got now a compressed cube that you could easily just throw into your luggage and not take up too much space. So if you're looking for some packing cubes, something to stay organized and save you space when you're traveling, I would highly recommend picking some of these up.